Hi guys, this is Manish and in today's video I'm going to talk about the recently plan which have came from the Jio. It's from the Jio Fiber plans and let's find out whether this is the plan very much competitive into the Indian market and is going to compete with your major brand with the Act Fiber or with the Airtel. So let me just take you to my computer screen where I'm showing you in the detail about the Jio Fiber plan. So hi guys, this is the Jio Fiber plan which they are offering right now and the price of this plan goes from 699 till 8499. The price range starting from the bronze to the titanium and all have the speed up to from 100 Mbps to 1 gigabytes. And the data which they are offering is they always said that's unlimited but it has an FUP limit of 100 gigabytes plus 50 gigabytes extra which they're offering it for the introductory period. After post that, your speed will be reduced to 1 Mbps, and trust me, with the 1 Mbps speed, you'll just not be able to open any site. Even if it's YouTube, it will take a lot of time to buffer any video. So for the 100 gigabytes to 5000 gigabytes, the price range is approximately varying, and the voices over this is almost free. TV video calling is included, gaming is included, home networking is included, and the device security you're getting it around from the 5 devices in all the plans. And VR experience is available only from your diamond to titanium. And similarly, premium content, the first day first show movies is also available from diamond to titanium. And for that, to watch the first day first show movie, you need to shell around 2500 rupees. But here's the catch, these are the prepaid plans. And if you scroll down, you're able to see the terms and condition. There's no separate page for the terms and condition, just the GST addition on all plans is applicable, which is approximately around 18%. So your 699 plan will approximately came around 728 or 758 in the price range of that only. So if you're doing a prepaid recharge for the 699, you believe that it's included the GST part, but here's they're offering the GST separately. Even though I'm using the postpaid plan and still get the taxes extra for my 1000 rupees plan, I'm able to spend around 1100 rupees for my monthly connection. But trust me, when you talk about the prepaid plan, you believe that all the things are included in this 700 rupees. But here's not that case. Moreover, if you are coming over that extra gigabytes which they're offering is only applicable for 6 months. After that, or for 699 you only will get the 100 gigabytes. Moreover, if I come down, moreover, you have to pay one-time payment which is of security deposit plus non-refundable installation. So many of the companies are offering a free installation with their plans, but here the Jio is offering a 1000 non-refundable installation prices, and the security deposit is around 1500 rupees. So 2500 plus 700 rupees. Approximately comes around 3300 rupees for a one-time payment if you want to go for the Jio GigaFiber plan plus 18% extra taxes. So let's absolutely keep around 3400 rupees. If I came around here, I not be able to see a per month plan. They have the 3 months, they have the 6 months, and they have the annual plans. So for approximately, you have to do a recharge for almost for the 3 months, for 6 months, and for 12 months. So if you get a good service for the 1 month and you don't get any service for the next 2 months, you don't have any option, but you have to stick around for the Jio Fiber because you have already done the 3 month recharge for this broadband plan. And let's see what's there included in this plan. If I go for the annual plan of the bronze, I need to give around 8388 rupees and I'm getting the Jio Home Gateway plus 4K setup box plus this Bluetooth speaker which this is around 3000 rupees, but trust me, this is around only around 200 to 1300 rupees. Plus I'm getting the 1200 gigabytes and the 100 Mbps. Again, this is that what they're offering for the particular month. For month I will you can have the 100 gigabytes, or for almost like if I only in 1 month I spend around 1200 gigabytes, then what happens for the rest of the 11 months? I certainly don't know about that. Same goes with the silver plan. Here also I'm getting a Bluetooth speaker. For the gold I'm getting the HD TV of 24 inches, which this is around 12,990. And this is the 2-year annual plan. This is not a 1-year annual plan. This is a 2-year annual plan which you want to shed if you want to go for this gold plan. Similarly, for the diamond, this is again the annual plan which you need to spend around 30,000 rupees, and you're getting the HD TV 24 inches. For platinum you're spending around 48,000 rupees and you're getting the HD TV. For titanium, again you're spending around 1 lakh rupees and you're getting the 4K TV. Again, they're not said that whether it is a full H. So again here they're not said that whether it is a smart TV or not. So this is all the same stuff. Plus in this plan they said that you're getting the Jio Cinema and Jio Savan. OTT apps, they not said what these are OTT apps, whether it is Amazon Prime, whether it is Z5. What are the apps which they're supporting it if I am planning to buy any titanium or diamond plan. Again, you have option to upgrades if you want to do that. But trust me, from the first expression of this Jio GigaFiber plan doesn't seem to be very much interesting. There seems to be that they're going to face the enough competition into the market because we have another better plans, whether from the Airtel, whether from the X Fiber, whether from your 10 cables. They're offering a much better plan as compared with this Jio Fiber. So that's all from this video. As soon as the terms and conditions update, I will let you know into that what are the terms and conditions which are getting updated into this Jio Fiber plan, and what are the new things and the new developments into this Jio Fiber plan. So if you like this video, give a big thumbs up. Don't forget to share with your friends and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for such interesting videos. And I see you all in the next one.